I'm going to show you something today. This will be what it means to have a system. When you see that code P 2189 system tool lean at Idle Bank 2. Alright guys, I'm just going to talk a little bit about what it means when you say system tool lean. At the same time, what it means when you say system tool reach. So when you go to your car, normally there are two things which go to the burning chamber, which is the cylinder. It's gas and air which goes together in there. So when there's less gas in the engine, what normally happens is it says system too lean, or when there's too much air. Same applies to when there's too much gas, as when the system is rich, and it's mostly measured by the oxygen sensors, which will tell the engine that there is a lot of gas coming out. The ratio of air to gas is not equal. So guys, that's what it means. So if your system says it's lean, what's important to look at is to make sure there's no leaks of air. This is Range Rover. So open. Sure. Open up. Put it aside. So what that means, guys, when the system is too lean, it means there's air which either goes through here or here. You just check on all these hoses. Make sure the hoses are all settled in. There's no hose which is leaking. You just take your time. You can also do it's called a smoke test to show if there is a leak where there's air escaping or coming into the system, so you can be able to control. Also, another thing to check, guys, is this right here. This air mass flow sensor. Make sure you replace them, or make sure you check if they are good on the system. So there are two of them. One is right here, one is right there. Also, another thing, guys, is your air filter. Change your air filter, and make sure your air filter is good and clean. Once you do that, guys, give yourself, you just do the slow diagnosis of the whole system. So eventually, at the end of the day, you'll be able to tell where the problem is. So for the system tool, guys, you make sure there's enough air going into the system, or the injectors are good, not to supply a lot of fuel in there. Make sure the combustion happens. You just check, make sure your spark plugs are good, making proper combustion so that it burns all the fuel, so it doesn't go downstream to the oxygen sensor. Also, guys, you might need to change your oxygen sensor. Sometimes they might go faulty and then give you a wrong reading. So those are the basic stuff, guys, you might just need to follow to check before when you are diagnosing the system too rich and system too lean. So there, guys, I'm just inspecting this car. It's saying the system is lean, so that means, guys, there's too much air in the system, and there's less gas, so that means there's some air which is escaping and getting into the system, guys. So if I check closely, I have to make sure the connections are good. Make sure, guys, everything right from there, the connectors they're good. Make sure all this things are well connected. I have to follow up on that to make sure all this is connected. So I have to make sure, guys, all these things are all looked at. And guys, oh yeah, guys, yeah, I got my calculator right there. That's where the air is escaping from. If you look closely, guys, right there, we have this guys is loose. We have this guy right here, very loose. So this guy is loose. It's supposed to lock in. So I'm going to. That's why the air, guys, is leaking from. So I have to lock it in. So once it's in, I hope it takes away the problem. It's just saying that it's too lean. So that's the whole idea, is just to check through, make sure there are no loose cable, loose hoses. And then you should be able to fix the problem eventually. I hope this helps you guys. Nice try.